Hi, I'm Ellis. I'm a flexi boarder in Year 10 at Hall House. I started in Year 9 and I was quite nervous, but I had lots of friends coming to Kingswood from my last school. When I joined, I was amazed at the size of the theatre and also the size of the sports facilities, such as the 2 Astros. I also really like the music department, and it's a place I really enjoy spending time in with my friends and also to do solo practice. I joined Kingswood as a music scholar. I've had lots of amazing opportunities, such as performing in the Bath Abbey, in the assembly rooms in the Bath Music Festival, and also later this year I will be going on tour in Barcelona. At school we could do a variety of lessons, but my particular favourites are English, drama, music and the sciences, particularly physics. We are learning about astrophysics and the gravitational constant. We are measuring this by dropping a mass through 2 light gates. I also really enjoy maths, and particularly getting involved. My teacher encourages us to get up in front of the class and explain our answers, which is always very fun. Being in the band, the choir and the Kingswood Jazz Orchestra really helps me to express myself and relax, and also helps me offset my academic involvements here at Kingswood. My advice for a new student in Kingswood would be to get involved with as many things as possible, whether it's curricular or co-curricular. Being part of these clubs helps you really flourish, sets you up with new friends, and ultimately just helps you enjoy school.